Hey there, my name's Chris Palmer. In today's Ranking Google Maps Faster video, what I'd like to share with you is a cheat code of sorts that will absolutely, positively help you achieve higher rankings and even better, allow you, once you actually reach a 3-pack ranking position, it will help you stay there longer. So when we're looking at Google Maps ranking, really at the end of the day, it comes down to two things. Now there's dozens of factors, but really it's two different things. And what those things are is one, proximity to the searcher. What's that mean? Proximity is when somebody is searching for a dentist office in Houston, how close is your business to that searcher? That's one factor. The other factor, and a more important factor, is how many clicks and how much traffic is your business receiving compared to the other companies and other businesses that are targeting the same exact keywords as you. Meaning, are there actual people looking for your business, searching for your business, and clicking on your business? Or better yet, when you have a 3-pack ranking, have you ever noticed there's 1, 2, and 3 separate winners, right? 1, 2, 3. Have you ever noticed that the people that are in there seem to retain that position for a very long time? Is it because they have such extraordinary businesses? No. The reason is because they're sitting in that 3-pack, they're getting the visibility, they're getting the clicks, they're getting the recognition, they're getting secondary people wondering, oh, who is this business? What's their reviews? Let's go check their website. Let's go back. Let's give them a call. Let's check their posts out, right? They're getting activity. They're getting activity. Why? Because they're visible. So the cheat code that I want to give you is I literally went through. I pulled up a list of all the biggest cities. There was no thought involved. Pulled up the biggest cities, and then I pulled up a list and I went down alphabetically to go ahead and showcase some examples. And I could have kept pulling them out. I could have had 1,000 examples of this. But what I want to give you is a cheat code. A way to help your business actually get into the rankings. And better yet, once you get there, help you retain your rankings. Let me show you some examples of what I mean about this cheat code. The first one, DUI attorney. Let's go ahead and take a look. We have a DUI attorney, Dallas, Texas. We take a look up here at the ads. Dunham, DWI, Mather. Let's come on down here. Bam, here's Dunham. Let's go over here. San Jose carpet cleaning service. Who do we have? Xerox, Stanley. Come down in here. Boom, here's Stanley. Oh, but Chris, they're a brand. I understand that. But they're also paying money. But let's keep looking. Dentist Chicago. Here's another example. Dentist Chicago. We come inside here. Dentist Chicago. We have Strobel and we have Downtown Dental. We come on down here. Who do we have? Number 1. Oh, Downtown Dental. Gee, who would have thought? Let's move on to another example. Divorce Lawyers Philadelphia. We did that primary keyword search. We take a look. We have Ulmer, we have Patriel, and we have Randspear. We come on down here into the map pack. Oh, who's sitting in number 2 position? Patriel. So let me go ahead and just give you, come with me over here quick. This is SEMrush, the keyword magic tool. There's a lot of things that you can do, and what you're going to find is a lot of these keywords, like your main keyword, like divorce lawyer Houston, that might be expensive, but there's variations. And what's even better is your top competitors, the people who are winning right now currently, their names are actually relatively cheap to run ads on top of. So let me share with you what I mean. Let's say, for instance, that this is you over here. San Jose cleaning service, San Jose carpet cleaning service. We want to beat Deluxe, Stanley Steamer, and John. Let's take Stanley Steamer because that's even better, right? So let's come on over here to our tool, and we're in San Jose carpet cleaning. So how about this? How about Stanley Steamer, San Jose carpet cleaning? Okay. What we want to look at here is I'm just showing you an example. I just want to share with you how easy this could be. Look at this. Nobody's betting on that. People are looking for it. People are finding it, right? Because people know who Stanley Steamer is. People know what Stanley Steamer is. They know what carpet cleaning is. Let's go over here. Carpet cleaning, San Jose. right? We know that Stanley Steamer is bet on it, but we could bid on their name. So when people are doing secondary searches or people are looking, yes, I know that this is a recognizable brand, but if people are looking for it, we would like our ad to show up. We'd like to generate that click. We'd like to generate that interest, that traffic. And what I'm getting at is it's a lot cheaper than you might think it is to be able to actually give yourself a chance to get into the ranking positions of your top competitors. Give yourself a chance. You have to get traffic. You need to get clicks or you're never going to make it into the map pack. Look at these adding prices. $3, $1.42. You can find something to start generating yourself some interest and some clicks. If you're in proximity, the next step is we have to start generating clicks and traffic. If we can't move up there organically, then why don't we just have Google help us? I hope that this cheat code, that this video helps you out. I wanted to show you some examples. I wanted to give you some very actionable advice. Don't be swayed away. It's not as expensive as you think it is. It's going to give you a ranking advantage. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any future questions related to Google Maps SEO, or anything SEO related, always feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next Google Maps, how to rank in Google Maps higher video. Have a wonderful day.